Hi there. Please, if you have any issue at all in this particular project, or whether you don't have any issue, it is very important that you join the Sia Discord channel. Right there, you're going to find all the information that you need, concerning host. You can ask direct question, and especially if you have issues with this course project, you can relate with us right there. And then, sometimes you might have issue with rent hard, you understand, and you might need some clarification. The Discord channel is your best friend, is the right place for you to drop your questions. So please do not hesitate to do that. Okay. And also, if you have some upload error with warnings or alert with rent hard, it is probably because of your internet connection. Such as this one here. That one is majorly because of poor internet connection. Please, make sure that you have a great internet connection so that you can, fire off that upload process to be smooth and, flowing. So that is just what I wanted to do. But other than that, please look at this particular. I've dropped the Discord link, the link to the Discord channel. Please click on that link to join right now, okay, so that you can have access to all this information and resources that is going to be necessary for you as you're developing. Let's just go in and see the improvement that you can make to make this particular application way much awesomer than what it already is. There are some improvements that you can do to this application, okay, if you want to improve it. In my own suggestion, I will say do improve upon the caching system and improve upon the upload process. For example, you can set up like a flat file kind of situation where a flat file database, a database system for the backend, where when you upload a video or a file whatsoever into the Sia, the backend that processes the file for Sia, you may want to do something such as register it in that database and ensure that it uploads successful. And if it uploads successful, you should check it as true. Otherwise, it should remain in the database there. It should remain as false. Upload is false, so that then you can set up a background process that we go on a daily basis, and we check on that database and see any one of those files that have not been uploaded successfully to the Sia rented, then it should perform another upload. I don't know how it should perform it. You try again. You should keep trying until it succeeds, and once it succeeds, you should remove that from the database so that it can have rest. So this is what you can do to enhance and make it more matured, make it more self-managed. Do you understand that? So these are some key areas that you can look into. You can also look into things such as doing domain whitelisting. So for example, if you're serving protected content, let's say you want all your images to be free so anyone can access image, so you could create another endpoint that will be specifically targeting images and make it accessible for free. Meanwhile, the rest of the content, we have to go through a filter system called domain whitelist. So any domain that is making that request, if the domain is not on your whitelist, it's not going to serve it the true content. Instead, it's going to serve it with unprocessed or unauthorized data, such as the not found image. So these are some improvements you can make around this backend, and that's why we separated it into its own backend system to manage this whole thing. So these things will make it really powerful. You understand that? These are some things that you can add to the backend, improve about the project, and make it more resilient, more reliant. And then lastly, one of the things that you can do is to if you watch in our previous video on how to CD/CI, continuous integration and continuous development, you can also deploy this rented on a virtual private server or on a cloud server. So instead of this running on your machine, the rented application blockchain can be running on your own cloud server, which we make most of this. So, and then you can put the backend on the cloud server as well, so that whatever you're doing, you just are shipping it to the cloud, and it's much more faster there, much more, stable in that environment. This is my opinion. So these are some areas that you can try and make improvement about this project. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for being part of this build. I hope this build was very exciting for you, because I actually am excited, and I hope you actually enjoyed it. Okay, and I'm gonna encourage you to build something like this, something similar to this, with the knowledge that you've learned from here. You can build something similar, on the Sia rented space, and practice and get yourself, into how the system works. Okay, please, if this is your first time of being here and you have not, subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, smash the like, hit the notification bell and all of that. We need that to push this work into the public space more, and have more people looking for content like this to find them. Okay, so this is it, and I'm very grateful for that. If you have any question, please drop in the comment section, and if you have any requests, you can also drop there. We take note of all of these things, and as time goes, as we keep building more things, we'll always look into what it needed, the community is asking for. All right, so that is it for now. My name is Darlington Gospel. I'm going to see you in the next tutorial.